Okay, wait. Can you check me one more time? Is this blinking?
Yes, it is.
I am blinking. Okay. That's all bro, my run last time was so good and I didn't get recorded. Whatever.
Just have a better run.
I'm gonna have a better run. It's that easy.
Alright guys.
Game
Surge
plan.
to the release.
Game plan. This is push to the release. This is changing the approach. Make sure we change the approach and push.
Watch this. They intersect paths. That means we do both.
That means right here we need to change the approach and press to release. So when we don't press to release, it actually goes here. It's there.
This is when you're tired.
Ah, Koji, off my balls. 9, 10. Picture once again. Am I still blinking?
Yep.
Nice.
So we saw a black.
Go. Two. Bro, this one's box A, box B.
Alright, guys. We're changing the approach. Well, I mean, almost.
Oh. Tuba crossing. Nine, left, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chug, chug, oh. Ah, shit. Get him, Star Q. Tight, tight, tight. Did you see their heads, Katron?
That's what killed me when I fell.
Hey, hey. You. Crank that soldier boy. All aboard the Tuba train. Choo choo!
Go! Go!
7, 9, 11, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 3, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 9, 11, 4, 1. Hey, Matthew.
Good job. Brad Harris on the side one ladder.
Please see Brad Harris on the side one ladder.
Brother? Brother?
Brother! How'd you do? I love you.